Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must understand that changing an Imei can breach laws, void warranties, and trigger carrier blocks. Start by confirming legal permissibility in your jurisdiction. Once done, gather device ownership documents and original Imei records so you can restore or prove provenance. Make sure to back up user data and NVRAM where available. This preserves legitimate configuration and avoids accidental data loss. If you are unsure, stop and consult an authorized service center rather than proceed with unsupported tools. You should follow vendor-approved workflows, contact the manufacturer or carrier, and request diagnostic or repair service. Once you have authorization, run official diagnostic modes to collect error logs and document the issue. These logs support legitimate Imei repair requests. Make sure to obtain written approval for any change and insist on service receipts that show restoration to original Imei when repair is complete. If the Imei was corrupted, authorized repair preserves compliance and device integrity. To finish, verify the device identifier through system settings and confirm carrier registration. This ensures the device is accepted on networks and that no flags exist. If you encounter mismatches or network blocks, make sure to present ownership proof and repair receipts to your carrier or an authorized service center for escalation. If the device is reported lost or stolen, stop and report it to law enforcement. Do not attempt any identifier changes yourself, because doing so can worsen legal consequences and prevent recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.